Oh, guys, look, that's wonderful. What a herd of sheep here in the Judean mountains. Amazing. It's really incredible. Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. And it's amazing. All the shapes, all here in the Judean mountains. It's really unbelievable. It's unbelievable, guys. So we can commemorate way back during the time of David, when he came to these mountains with his sheep. Oh.